Didn't get me caught. He's still coming.
What do you have?
I think it's a catfish, or it could be just a strong bass.
I don't know. I think it's a catfish. He was stripping line a second ago.
Probably have to pull him in. I may need your help.
You might, huh?
But I could just hold on to the dock. Me more important than that fishy.
Yeah.
Because it's just a fish. There's plenty in the world. He's coming up. He's coming up.
He's coming up.
Puh.
Come up towards the edge here. Let's see if we can. Come on. Uh-oh.
Move.
Come on. Come over this way. Oh, he's under the dock. He's under the dock. Get him out of there. Get him out of there.
Got him.
Come over. Over here. Oh my goodness.
I think I have to pull him in now.
Stop reeling for a minute.
Dad, I need to reel or he's going to take me in.
He's not going to take you in. I won't let him take you in. Walk that way. Walk with him. Walk with him. There you go.
He's fighting. Oh no. I'm not going to let him take my line away. Dad, can I just pull him in?
You break your line. You be careful.
Dad, how come it's not coming in?
Because he's apparently pretty strong.
He's so darn strong.
Okay, now reel. Now raise your rod up. Now reel down to it.
I think we're going to catch a huge one. He's strong.
He is strong.
He's pulling me everywhere.
Yep. Oh my goodness.
I saw that body, did you?
I did. All right, let's see here.
Yeah, he's a keeper, isn't he?
He's a keeper.
Come on, almost there, fishy.
See if we can get him back before I can get a video of him again.
That's bigger than my other monster.
Mm-hmm.
We have hooked a gigantic monster. Oh.
All right.
Oh, come here, fish. You're gonna have to help me pull this in.
All right, so I'm gonna have to stop video.
Oh my.
All right, I want to stop video for a minute.
I gotta get this thing out. So, you see him?
Yep.